Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model that is trained by OpenAI and is an excellent tool for creating content, generating ideas, and even making money online. So, let's get started. Step 1. Utilize ChatGPT for content creation. One of the best ways to make money online is by creating content. With ChatGPT, you can generate a wide variety of content ideas in a matter of seconds. Whether you are creating blog posts, social media content, or YouTube videos, ChatGPT can help you come up with unique and interesting ideas that will engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to identify niche markets. Another way to make money online is by identifying niche markets that are not yet saturated. With ChatGPT, you can quickly identify niche markets that are in demand but are not yet being fully explored. By focusing on these niche markets, you can create content that is unique and stands out from the crowd, making it easier to attract a dedicated following. Step 3. Monetize your content. Once you have created content using ChatGPT and identified your niche market, it is time to monetize your content. There are a variety of ways to do this, including through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Sponsored content involves working with brands or companies to create content that promotes their products or services. Advertising involves placing ads on your website, social media channels, or YouTube videos to generate revenue. Step 4. Build your audience. To make money online, you need to build a dedicated audience that is interested in your content. One way to do this is by engaging with your audience and creating content that is both informative and entertaining. You can also use social media channels like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to promote your content and interact with your audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money online. By using ChatGPT to generate content ideas, identify niche markets, and monetize your content, you can build a successful online business that generates passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and take your online business to the next level.